Hello, and we're back. My name's Chuck. What I'm going to do today is show you how I put together my uh, tissue boxes. Do it this way, it's a lot better. It's all press fit stuff. I glue them together pretty much. The other thing I'm having an issue with is I was making some Valentine's Day hearts stuff for Valentine's Day because we have a show 13th, 14th, 15th of next month out here in Pahrump. It's a hot air balloon festival, but it's also on Valentine's Day. So I was cutting out the hearts and cutting out the sides. I did like 4 of them and no issues. But yes, this one here, it's got a small issue. I don't think it's supposed to be like that. Yeah, it started burning on me. Don't know why. I let it cool down after each one that I do for about an hour or so. And I clean up everything in between each one. So yeah. But I just don't know why it started burning. It wasn't too close. I have it 3 mils off because this is 3 millimeter basswood. But now this one, I'm going to use the other areas for other stuff. But yeah. Other than that, all I do for the tissue boxes is I'll prep them, I'll sand them, and then I'll shellac them. And let me sand them first, and then I'll get back with you. All right, thank you. All right, and we're back. I sanded them. It only took like a couple minutes to sand each one. But yeah, then I'll go ahead and just shellac them. Yeah, I usually hold it about 6 inches away or so. But yeah, that's about it. I just do 1 or 2 coats on it just to make sure it's gonna look good. It's coming out pretty good so far. But let me let this dry, and then I'll flip them over and do the insides just because. And I'll be right back with you. Thank you. All right, these are now dry. What I'm going to do now is use some Gorilla Glue. And what I usually do is hit every tab on here, at least on 2 sides. That way it will hold up 2 sides. Sorry for my hands being in the way, but that's about all I could do. If I try harder, I could do more. But now I gotta find the right ones, which would be this one here. Fits in here. A little smack, smack, smack. Hang on 2 seconds. There's a small mallet to get these in and started. And then I use this one here for this side. Get one corner in first, and then smack it in. Sorry for the noise. And then what I'll do is move this out of the way for a sec. I will do 2 sides for this. Glue. Just a dab. Doesn't need much. Because we get pretty strong winds out here. I'm in Nevada, and when I do farmer markets, the winds kick up. Like last weekend, they kicked up like a vengeance. Get these all lined up here. I said lined up. I'll flip it around this way, sorry. This side lined up. Do it like that. Like I said, these are press fit like crazy. Alright, and then with the top one, I do not glue it whatsoever because it's that tight of a fit. Let's see. Let me get you guys up a little higher. Pretty sure this extends somehow. Yes, it does. There. Well, that's a little bit better. Start with one side, then move it around a little. So it's off right there, then you just move it around. See what I mean when I say it's a tight fit? Yeah, that's what takes so long. Putting these together, and people don't realize why it takes so long. Then what I do is I'll slap them on their side, knock the sides down. Sorry for all the banging, but that's the only way you can get this in here. I know it's going to be loud, but bear with me. I'm just trying to do a tutorial on this. Let me know how I'm doing on this. I have no clue. Oh, there it is. Almost lost my lid. And then to see if it's on there all the way, you look at the sides, see if there's any gaps anywhere. And there's no gaps whatsoever. And then that there is your finished product. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. It's first time doing it on a camera. And if it was too shaky, let me know. But then again, that's life and it happens. But yeah, I do like 3 or 4 of these a week. I'll sit and make like a dozen of them, and then as people want them, then I'll put on whatever they want on them. But yeah, other than that, that's pretty much about it. Let me know what you guys want me to make next. I do basic stuff, basically tissue boxes. I could do the tissue box like this, make it into a box, just not cut out the hole. Then I'll just make a box. And these are 3 mil basswood 12 by 12 squares. And I usually get on the sides, I'll get 1 sheet. And then I gotta do at least 4 sides for boxes, and then do 4 tops. And that's basically 5 sheets of 12 by 12 inch basswood 3 mil. And then the other stuff I do are coasters. Some of you already know I do the coasters. I'll do the wood coasters and then the normal coasters. The normal coasters, just a regular 4-inch cork coasters. I sell more of those, but I need to start making some more of the wood ones because I'm running out. And then the other things I'm doing is the there we go, keychains, the wood keychains. I just started doing those. I've sold a couple of those already this week. And then the other things I'm doing are magnets out of the same basswood. I'll do the 4-inch by 4-inch squares in a magnet, slap a magnet on the back, put whatever design people want on them. A lot of people out here, they want Army, Marines, Navy, stuff like that. And then since we're concealed carry, people want guns on them and stuff like that. But yeah, I really appreciate you guys watching the videos. It helps me out a lot. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and give me a thumbs up because it helps out quite a bit, because I'm trying to get this channel up and going a lot more. I do have another YouTube channel. That one shows, I'm the videoer on it. It's Bootleg Garage. We do automotive repair, and we show you how to do proper repairs on vehicles, because my brother's a mechanic for the last 35-40 years, give or take, because he's been out here in Nevada since 01, 02, but we used to live in California, so we moved out here before all the bad stuff happened. But other than that, I really appreciate you guys. Thanks for stopping by, checking out the channel. Let me know what you think of the box, tissue box. And I will hopefully try and put up more videos. I want to try and do at least 1 video a week of something, anything. Don't care what it is, as long as it's laser engraving stuff. But been busy this last week. I was doing a SHOT Show event in Vegas, and that was a long week. Now we're booked up through June, I believe, on the weekends, and then my normal job. I know I'm just rambling now, but thank you guys again for watching my videos. Really appreciate it. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.